Click on the link below to get price. The NVIDIA Jetson Thor Developer Kit is a groundbreaking platform designed for developers and researchers focused on artificial intelligence, robotics, and advanced computing. With its cutting-edge architecture and robust performance, this kit stands out in the increasingly competitive landscape of AI hardware. At the heart of the Jetson Thor is the powerful NVIDIA Orin SoC, which combines an impressive GPU, CPU, and deep learning accelerators. This integration delivers exceptional processing power, enabling real-time AI inferencing and complex computational tasks. The GPU, featuring CUDA cores and Tensor cores, provides significant acceleration for deep learning workloads, making it ideal for applications ranging from autonomous vehicles to drone navigation and smart surveillance systems. One of the standout features of the Jetson Thor is its versatility. It supports a wide range of AI frameworks, including TensorFlow, PyTorch, and MXNet, allowing developers to leverage their existing models and workflows seamlessly. The kit comes equipped with various I/O interfaces, including GPIO, I2C, and SPI, making it easy to connect sensors and peripherals for customized projects. In terms of usability, the Jetson Thor Developer Kit excels with its comprehensive software support. NVIDIA provides a well-documented SDK and a wealth of resources, including tutorials and sample projects, which significantly lower the barrier to entry for new developers. The Jetson community is also active and supportive, providing a platform for sharing knowledge and troubleshooting. However, it's worth noting that the Jetson Thor is not the most budget-friendly option on the market. While its price reflects its advanced capabilities, those new to AI development might find it a considerable investment. Additionally, the thermal management system is robust but requires attention during intensive tasks to prevent overheating. Overall, the NVIDIA Jetson Thor Developer Kit is an exceptional choice for those serious about advancing their AI and robotics projects. With its powerful hardware, extensive software support, and flexibility, it serves as a solid foundation for innovative applications that push the boundaries of technology.